Hey guys, welcome to the Overbooked tutorial. In this lesson, you're going to learn how to create a new user account and log in. Once you enter the app, you'll need to click the sign up link that'll take you to the sign up screen where you can create a new account. You'll need to choose a username, a password, and enter your email address. Creating a user account is easy, but there are a few things that you'll need to keep in mind. The username you choose cannot be changed. It will be your login. It will show on your personal web calendar and the Overbooked community, so choose a good one. Now, in order to keep your account safe, Overbooked passwords must meet the following requirements: be a minimum of 8 characters, have a number, a special character, an uppercase letter, and a lowercase letter. Here's an example. Once you've chosen your username and password, be sure to read and accept the Overbooked terms and conditions, privacy policy, and cookie policy. Hit sign up and check your email so that you can complete registration and confirmation. Now head on back to the app, enter your username and password, and log in. Congratulations on creating your Overbooked user account and getting on your way to building your fan base.